the smoker. You got the smoker. I saw that. I'm getting 40 to love. She's got that smoker down.
Oh, he's back.
Hey, now.
You can catch the smoker.
I can scare you right now.
Oh!
Coming back.
Oh, Gibby, I love you.
I know.
Yay. Deuce.
Oh!
Deuce, baby.
You gotta turn that fan on. It's hot in here.
And I wanted to start a fire.
That would have been terrible.
What happened?
He unplugged it.
Wow, how long does this go for? I thought it cut off
This
right
is only
away.
game 1, so we got a couple more games. You see, Catherine, in life,
I think so.
there are birds and there are bees.
Ew, no.
And sometimes birds have sex with bees.
Wow, and this is their result.
I'm a bird bee.